The Quran as it explains itself, page number 19.
Adam equals Adam equals man. His wife equals woman. Udma equals ability to live together as a community. Adam from Udma thus indicates humankind. The word Eve or Hawwa is not mentioned in the Quran. She is described with dignity as مرأة equals Adam's Zaujah equals wife, consort, maid of Adam equals Mrs. Adam. Sajdah equals prostration equals complete submission equals willful obedience equals utter humility equals adoration equals utmost commitment to divine cause equals humbling one's own self. Rukoo bowing and Sajdah prostration are not confined to the ritualistic physical motions. They convey a more sublime message of being humble and submitting to God's commands. Khauf equals fear from without. Huzn equals intrinsic depression or grief equals unhappiness equals regret. Khushu equals being humbly compliant equals sincerely committed equals being devoted to a noble cause. Sabr equals patience equals facing adversity with courage equals steadfastness equals resolve equals perseverance in hardship as well as ease. Araf equals the heights equals heights of intellect equals stature of those endowed with faculty of discernment equals the high degrees of those who are better able to distinguish between right and wrong. Singular, Urf equals the most elevated part of anything equals easily discernible. Qur'an equals Shaor equals intellect. Qur'an is also the Arabic name of the brightest star Sirius in the constellation Canis Major. It was widely worshipped in ancient Middle East. 53:49. Shafa'a equals stand up as witness to the truth equals intercession equals clearing a falsehood assigned to someone equals defending the truthful. Shukr equals thankfulness equals gratitude in word and action equals bring divine bounties to the most fruitful use equals efforts becoming fruitful equals sharing one's wealth and resources with fellow humans equals opposite of kufr ingratitude when the context demands it. Hudn equals hidayat equals guidance equals right guidance equals a lighted road equals journey with prominent landmarks equals a sincere gift equals a high rock of identification in the sea equals lighthouse equals a fixed sign in the desert. Zal equals shade. Gammam equals clouds. Shade of grace equals being shaded with clouds in the desert is a blessing, therefore, grace. Manawussalwa equals God's sustenance that reaches all members of the community equitably. Literally, it also means delicious fruit manna and fowl or quail meat salwa. Tayyib equals decent and clean equals of one's liking equals not forbidden in the Quran equals good for mind and body equals pleasant. Ray equals weak, shaky legs equals loss of determination and resolve equals losing individual and collective strength equals becoming lazy equals replacing action with word. Rayis equals unclean equals disapproved equals contaminated equals foul equals a barrier to moral development. Asa equals staff, equals force, equals conviction, equals support, equals a united community holding onto a mission as the five fingers hold onto a cane. Ihsan equals an act of balance, equals restoring symmetry and beauty, equals social and individual equity, equals selfless service, equals an act of equity. Yatim equals orphan, equals who is left alone in the society, equals lonely, equals without immediate family, equals helpless, equals derivatively, a widow. Miskin equals the needy poor, equals one with no means to earn livelihood, equals the disabled, equals one whose life has stalled for any reason, equals jobless, equals bankrupt of finances, equals one whose running business has stalled. 19.
God is the one who has created countless cosmic bodies, and like them many of the kind of earth. His commands are delivered through all of them, so that you may learn that God has the ultimate decisive power over everything, and that God encompasses and controls all with the knowledge of sciences. Quran chapter 65 at Talaq verse 12.